Hello and welcome to Leon's Lockpad. Got a lot we're going to pick today, and we've got a small parcel from John Egginton. We'll do the parcel first, and then we'll do the picking. The lock I've got is it's an easy set, and it is Steelpinnings. Guitar done. It was made on the 1st of the 19th, 2018. Let me show you the bitting. Works really well, very smooth, as I would expect from Mr. Pinnings. But before we do, if you're in Locksport and you want to get involved, please check out www.uklocksport.co.uk, and that's UKLS, and you can check me out on Discord or Extraordinary League of Pickers, or at UKLP, which is Lock Picking Locksport on Facebook. And like I said, on my channel, hit the subscribe button, that bell icon. Make 2-3 videos per week, from picking locks to challenge locks to locks tutorials to giveaways to all type of lock stuff related, really. Just got to say an absolute massive thank you. I've hit the 1,000 subs, which is absolutely fantastic, overwhelming, and absolutely unbelievable. It's not many words to say. It's just so excited and it's brilliant. This video will be the video where you leave your comment as well for the giveaway. Now I know a few people are out, but whoever wants to be in the 1,000 giveaway, just comment in this video. After you've made your normal comments, just put "I'm in." That's all you have to do. Now let's see this parcel we got from John. Now I've already unwrapped it because it was only a small one, but it's easier to make the time up. He sent me a challenge lock. Looks like it says rendition, and it's number 4. This is 4th lock. It is mummified. Thank you very much, John. We'll go picking that. For some reason, people are now sending me their most hardest locks, which is funny. And he sent me this, and this is what we're going to look at now. From what I can see at the end, it's definitely going to be a pick of some type. So let's have a look what he has sent. Oh wow, that is really nice. That's got really nice polish to it. Look at that shine. Nice hook. Very like that. It just rests on the thumb. A very nice plastic dip handle. I do this myself in red. Very comfy. He's definitely give it quite a few coats. But absolutely awesome job, my friend. That is really nice. Thank you very much. That is a beautiful pick. I really do love the homemade picks. This is absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely, thank you very much, my friend. I do appreciate it. Please subscribe to John's name. I'll put his name up on the screen and in the description. Absolutely awesome, my friend. I do appreciate that. I love homemade picks, and it will get used like all the other ones. Some people don't like to use them because, they're frightened that they might snap them because it's such a beautiful piece of artwork. But I like to use mine. I'm just not too rough with them. Do you know what? We may even try it in this lock of steel pinnings. So I'm going to use a pry bar. There we go. That one's nice, and just in case I need to do my own counter. And it looks like we're picking off the warding. Oh, this goes there nice and fine. Oh, got a little click. One second, there we go. That pry bar was slipping out for some reason. Got a little click then on 5, on 4, and 3. We got another click that was on 2. Let's try counterclockwise. Oh, got a little bit of a fault set going then. Turn of the colour. Definitely just overset something. Oh, another click then. Yep, got a little fault set going again now. Got a deeper fault set there. Trying to get that number 6. I think it's number 5 pin. I'll swap pick over now. Let's go for a Trackmaster. There's that long reach at the back. So there's 1. That's set. 2. Oh, I think we're close. Let's try a deeper hook, which is a Bobby Keys hook. Oh, we're open. There we go. It was the very last pin. Needed that extra deepness from that hook. Even though, I'll just show you, even though we're they are similar profile, you can see the hook just slightly deeper, just by a touch. That was really good. I'm going to enjoy using this, John, my friend. Just got you get used to it because it's odd having that part there instead of at the top. It feels like it's upside down and it's not. But it was the same when I first started picking. And I used to pick locks down, American locks down, and now I pick them the right way. And same as I pick Euros down, which is the right way. Let's unzoom a little bit. And let's see what we've got. Right here. Well, we've got the key, so we can lock it back up. So yeah, please leave your comments on this video, and what I do is I'm going to announce the winner. What are we on now? Wednesday, a week today. Tweezers as the pins decided to run off. There we go. There's a spring in there. Yep, there's the spring. Just grab a shim just in case. Yeah, just leave the... I was going to change it to something else, what to leave in the comment, but just leave I'm in if you're in, and if you are out, put that you're out. I hope many of you have a go. You've all got the same chance of winning. I do mine by hat and not generated, but I find that easier to do. Also, get my son to do the drawing. There we go, we're all the way through. Just be careful. Can we follow her? There we go. Let's have a look what he's done. Well, they all needed picking. Number one was just a touch. Definitely some work done on this core. I've got a standard in 1, I've got a standard in 2, standard in 3, standard in 4, and I think it's got a tapered edge actually. So let's have a look. Right, so we've got threading in 1, undercutting in 2, nothing in 3, undercutting in 4, and threading in 5 with some nice clean threads. Awesome work there, Steelpinnings, my friend. Let's see what we've got going on in here. Looks like we've got a spool that was a keeping. Number 2, very nice rate keeping with a copper spring. Number 4, wow, it's a steel serrated, very nicely serrated. And we've got like a double spool. Yep, we've got like a double spool in 4, and let's get to 5. And in 5, we got a barrel spool and a steel spring. We had any work done? Oh, we have had some work done in here. 1, nothing. Right, let's have a look. So we've got threading in 1, nothing in 2, threading in 3, nothing in 4, and threading in 5. Awesome work. Let's check out these pins. So we definitely got slightly tapered on the key pins. That one's upside down. There we go. They're standard. This one's standard. And that one's standard. We got a very nice spool in 1. We've got a very nice serrated. It's a bit like an American serrated keeping that, but just larger. It's got this very nice serrated. Look how deep that is. Serrated keeping. Driver, sorry. It's got very nice serrations, but one big, very deep one. We got another. We got a barrel spool. Type. It's like a double spool, both sides. We got a, as I would call this, looks like an acid barrel one. Very cool. Then we got copper, and steel. Absolute awesome job, Mr. Pinnings, my friend. Really enjoyed picking that. It will be getting sent on like usual. And John, absolute awesome. Thank you very much for the challenge lock. I guess this is going to be tricky and fun. And absolutely thank you very much for this beautiful pick, mate. Really do like that. And I do like that the shaft is quite neat and narrow, which should help me with some of those tight keyways where most of my picks, they're too wide. This one's just right. Awesome though. Absolutely love this. Thank you very much. So yeah, please leave. Please check out John Egginton's channel. Excuse me. I will leave it in the on the front, and I'll leave it name in his description. Also check out Steelpinnings, another awesome guy. And thank you very much, all of you, for subscribing, making me hit that 1,000 subscribers. Absolute awesome. Good luck in the giveaway. And thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe and bye. Don't forget to like.